Okay guys, see what I found in the Philippines. This is a genuine 1944 Willys MB. It's a very complete car. It's very strange because in the Philippines they were most of the time used to make jeepneys of, or converted with Toyota engines or their axles. Almost impossible to find a real Willys. So this one is a 1944. Came to the Philippines also in 1944 and was given to the fire department in the 50s. Painted red and fitted with dual horns for the fire brigade. But this makes that the car is really original. Still has all the brackets for the shuffle and the holder for the axe blade. Seats are all there. Gauges are all there. Switches are all there. Just the speedometer is changed from miles to kilometers. It has correct axles, correct gearbox, and it's all matching with the year from the Willys. Genuine backlights, the jerry can holder. This is one of the original wheels, and the wheels that are under the Willys for the moment are the later wider ones. So we need to find 4 original small rims. This is 16-inch. Has all the brackets from the soft top frame. Condition is from the tube is quite good, as we can see for the moment. The chassis is good, but the chassis tops are gone. And very important, it still has the VIN tag attached, the alloy plate. Window frame is still genuine, has some repairs, but it's a good frame. Bonnet is good, fenders are quite good, need a small repair. Front panel is good. But hey, to find this in the Philippines, it's really strange. The engine is complete, it's all there, and of course it's stuck. So we're gonna find out how badly it is when taking it out. But I'm very happy that's complete. It's converted to an alternator, so it's converted to 12 volts somewhere in time, but that's something I would have done. And it has the flipping headlight. I really like those old 50s indicators. These things have to come off, of course. Looks like a jam bottle. So the frame, the top end needs repair, but we can normally save the frame. Not sure about what you would do. To buy a new frame or repair this one. So if you have any comments, what shall I do? Repair the frame or buy a new one? Because you can buy a perfect brand new frame. There's a fire brigade dual horn. That we're gonna take off, of course. We're not gonna paint it red again. It has to come back to these army colors. But that's it. If you like me to make a YouTube video on it, how it's going, I can do that and see how far we get. It would be the first Willys I ever do, so lots of things to learn, and I hope that there are people that can give me some good advice. I was also wondering what the bracket is behind the steering wheel there. Looks like something you can mount on there. Maybe a gun, I don't know. I don't see wipers, so this is a Willys, it's not a Ford, so it has the round holes and the plain top for the how do you call it, glove box storage. I guess this is a plug for to put a trailer behind it. That's a tow hitch. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.